Let me show you all charging methods for the Google Pixel 9 Pro. So first of all, that I really enjoy is definitely this wireless charging method. There we go. It's recommended to remove your charging case, protective case from your phone to allow the wireless charging. The second method is also very obvious, I would say. Of course, you can use the wireless adapter. And it's recommended to use the original from the Google, but you can try with any other brands. This is my old Xiaomi charger and it works fine with my phone, but I have also from the Huawei that is not working. Another method to charge this device is to use cable. So you don't need the power adapter, you can simply connect this cable into the USB-C port. There we go. And this end of the cable you can connect to your PC, to the game console, to your TV, or for example into the second smartphone. That's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna connect, and as you can see right now, it is charging. I'm charging from Pixel 7 Pro to the Google Pixel 9 Pro. And of course, I just mentioned the wireless charging. So if you have a smartphone with the reverse wireless charging, like in this one and the Pixel 7 Pro, then you are able to put your Pixel 9 Pro on the back of the second phone, and it will also work like the wireless charger. And that's basically it. This is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and right now please subscribe.